This is $10,000, and I made all of this in just 1 month as a teenager. But I will tell you how I did it in the next video. But in this video, I'll be telling you the ups and downs and the challenges we teenagers face making money online. What's up guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I would like to elaborate and tell you the challenges teenagers face making money online, or the dark side of making money online as a teenager. So one of the first reasons why teenagers fail to make money online or build a successful online business, I would say, is the lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge is one of the reasons that prevent teenagers from achieving a successful online business. Most teenagers believe that it takes advanced degrees to land them with a successful and lucrative business. While that's not true, in order to earn money online, a person needs to at least set out 1 hour every day to learn, to acquire more skills, to make research and see what it really takes to make money online. Many dive into online businesses without a comprehensive understanding of what digital landscape is. From choosing suitable platforms to understanding legal and ethical considerations, preparation is a key to success in any endeavor, and online learning isn't an exception. Teens often plunge into this space without a clear plans or goals. You know, making money online is similar to making money from your comfort zone. It's like staying in your own comfort zone and making money online. While choosing a skill to learn or a knowledge to acquire, I would advise you learn a skill in the niche you have interest in. Learning a skill you have zero interest in won't benefit you in the nearest future, because learning a skill you enjoy doing will guarantee you consistency, and being consistent is one of the major keys in making money online. For an instance, if you have interest in writing, marketing or designing, we know that a writer needs to read and study grammar. A marketer needs to learn social media and online advertising, and a designer needs to master code and keep up with an ever-changing set of skills or designs. 2. Lack of preparation. Another dark side of making money as a teenager is lack of preparation. Too many people go into online businesses unprepared, or most people aren't prepared or willing to learn the skills and strategies involved in growing a successful and lucrative business. As soon as you go into an online business with a goal to learn and implement new methods, the sooner that business will become successful. 3. The challenge of consistency. Consistency is the backbone of any sustainable venture. Yet, many kids struggle to maintain a regular effort in their online endeavors. 4. The importance of discipline. Discipline is a power force that can transform ambitions into achievements. Without it, teens may face difficulties managing time effectively, setting their goals and staying focused on their goals. Like a popular quote from Andrew Tate says, "A man who goes to the gym regardless of how he feels will definitely beat the man who goes to the gym when he feels like." So you can be prepared and you can have the whole knowledge in the world, but discipline is an important factor in making money online. Without discipline, your preparation and skills are nothing. Step 5. Balancing ambitions and reality. Ambitions are fantastic, but balancing them with the reality of online earning is essential. Teenagers often dream big, and that's incredible and essential for their growth. However, managing expectations and setting achievable goals are crucial aspects of a balanced approach. So guys, in conclusion, the journey of making money online as a teenager involves acknowledging and identifying our challenges. Like I've listed a few challenges we face as a teenager making money online. So your assignment is to write down your challenges and see what you could do differently to build a successful online business. And also, I would like you to share your thoughts, experiences and strategies in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth discussions on navigating the digital landscape. Let's empower ourselves and each other to overcome these challenges. Until next time, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below and a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.